The expansion of Shibarium is evident, but the predicted impact on the price of Shiba Inu has not materialized. Was it a lie by the developers? Please wait a moment before drawing any firm judgments. Something remarkable happened today. The stakes are extremely high with over 224 trillion tokens at risk, suggesting a possible price break. The clock is ticking and it might happen as soon as tonight. Still, what am I even referring to? Allow me to provide an explanation. Important notice. After launching in August 2023, the Shibarium network immediately began to generate buzz in the blockchain space. Impressive growth has been achieved by this Layer 2 blockchain technology that was created for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The number of users on the network has doubled in less than 3 months, with over 63,000 accounts being the most recent milestone. The impressive growth of the Shibarium network in such a short amount of time is demonstrated by this noteworthy accomplishment. In addition to the meteoric rise in user accounts, the network has also seen an explosion in transactions and the amount of projects developed on its platform. This expansion shows that the Shiba Inu community is developing a thriving ecosystem of decentralized apps and services, which in turn reflects the increasing use of the Shibarium network. Many people were hoping that the price of Shiba Inu would skyrocket along with the Shibarium network, but unexpected outside forces triggered a slump. So Shiba Inu went so far as to add a zero to its price. However, new information has come to light, and it shows how the expansion of Shibarium has greatly affected the value of Shiba Inu. However, the course appears to be different this time. There is no indication of gradual improvement. Rather, everything points to a sudden and dramatic increase in value. Why, though, am I so sure this forecast will come true? When will the price of Shiba Inu reach its peak? In light of this developing situation, how do whales and regular investors respond? Finally, how can you make sure you don't pass up this chance at financial success? Stay with us as we explore these questions and provide you with the knowledge you need to handle the thrilling Shiba Inu revival. Understanding the basis upon which the Shiba Inu ecosystem flourishes is vital as we delve deeper into the dynamics driving the breed's revival, with its user base having just doubled. The Shibarium network stands out as a pioneer in this revival. Nevertheless, why do people take Shibarium? Imagine this. An international friend will receive a present from you. Fast and cheap delivery is what you're aiming for. The cheap fees for token transfers on Shibarium are useful in this situation. Users swarm to Shibarium for its efficient and affordable transaction capabilities, much like selecting a cost-effective delivery route. Also, decentralized applications are quite appealing, which increases their attractiveness even further. Envision yourself able to peruse a wide variety of cutting-edge apps that are fully compatible with the Shiba Inu system. Shibarium is a great place for people who want a simplified blockchain experience because it is both affordable and versatile. It is clear that Shibarium's appealing features are successfully attracting new users as it continues to establish itself as a foundation of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, attracting users from all over the world. The combination of a large variety of decentralized applications and cheap costs for token transfers makes for a compelling value proposition. However, right now, some individuals are perplexed about the importance of drawing in new Shiba Inu users. Don't you think our returns will be higher if we reduce our numbers? Why would anyone want to share them? Many people might think about it, and that's a good question. It is human nature to hoard wonderful things, after all. Nevertheless, the equation becomes more complex when considering the Shiba Inu ecology. There is more complexity to the situation than meets the eye. Even though it seems obvious that fewer participants would mean better returns for current holders. Think about this. Shiba Inu's value, like every cryptocurrency, is directly proportional to its practicality and widespread acceptance. The ecosystem's viability and future growth prospects are negatively impacted by the absence of a robust user community. Instead of diminishing our profits, we're increasing the pie for everyone as we bring in new users. Imagine it as a busy bazaar. All sellers benefit from a bustling and lucrative marketplace when more people visit it. On a similar note, the value of Shiba Inu tokens is driven up by the increasing demand from the expanding user base, which is good news for everyone holding these tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Beyond the obvious increase in value, there are other advantages to a bigger and more active community. The project's legitimacy and endurance are enhanced and innovation is fostered. in the ever-changing cryptocurrency scene. It also encourages ecosystem development. That being said, drawing in new Shiba Inu ecosystem users is not about giving up profits, as paradoxical as that may sound. Ultimately, the goal is to create a community that is stronger, more resilient, and more prosperous for all. We can't help but notice the fascinating price fluctuations and trading volume surrounding this dynamic cryptocurrency as our attention moves to recent advancements in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shiba Inu has proven to be resilient in the face of persistent market volatility, going into a noticeable recovery mode recently. The community is experiencing a wide range of emotions due to this gradual recovery. Picture yourself riding the emotional roller coaster of hope, frustration, and expectation as you keep an eye on the Shiba Inu pricing. Community members are filled with renewed optimism and joy after watching this confident return after weathering a prolonged period of price problems. A lot of people see it as the triumph of an unlikely hero who, against all difficulties, manages to get back on track. The conviction that the potential of Shiba Inu does not diminish with each incremental increase in price, which brings a rush of relief and confirmation. Analysts' observations, like that of Shiba Inu, illuminate the recent trend reversal and the cryptocurrency's potential for additional rise as we explore the mechanisms influencing the price trajectory of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu and other market analysts have been keeping a careful eye on the Shiba Inu pricing trend and have identified important indicators that suggest a change is imminent. Chart patterns and technical indicators show that Shiba Inu has reversed its slump according to their analysis. The community's hope has been rekindled by this reversal, leading to discussion about the future price fluctuations of the cryptocurrency. Consequently, how do these findings impact those who own Shiba Inu for the near future? The present price spike may offer an enticing opportunity for short-term investors to cash in on gains by selling their holdings. In light of the unpredictability of short-term market movements, analysts may suggest being cautious and thinking about ways to lock in gains, such as taking profits. I shall, however, shortly elaborate on why this course of action is inadequate. However, those who plan to keep Shiba Inu for the long haul may see this turn of events as proof that they were right to believe in the breed's potential. Experts may advise clients to remain resolute and patient, keeping their assets for the long haul even when the market is volatile in the near term. Continued steadfastness. Those that stick on for the long haul may be able to profit from the Shiba Inu's expected rate of growth. In the end, the advice given by experts is helpful for both short-term and long-term holders. It helps them understand the ever-changing world of Shiba Inu prices and make smart choices regarding their investment plans. However, let's go further into the meat of the issue and find the secrets contained in the on-chain data. Why depend on wild guesses and speculation when we have data that can show us the real reasons Shiba Inu prices go up and down? Can we deduce anything about Shiba Inu's future from the blockchain's numerical values? In what ways may on-chain data provide light on investor attitude and actions? The most critical question is, how can we use this data to our advantage so that we can invest wisely in the volatile cryptocurrency market and remain one step ahead of the competition? Who knows? We'll find out. Taking a look into the future of the Shiba Inu's value, exploring the block data provides fascinating hints about the future. The 224 trillion Shiba Inu mark is key because it determines the future of the cryptocurrency and has far-reaching consequences. This is mind-bogglingly large when you consider that there are 224 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation